This is our top-seeded heat of the women's 400-meter medley relay. Lane number 2, Santa Clara Swim Club. Leading off is Chloe Isleta. Lane 3, Palo Alto Stanford, Ali Howe. 4 for Hong Kong, Stephanie Au. Lane 5, Australia, Emily Seabaum. 6 for Australia B team, Megan Ney. 7, Mexico, Fernanda Gonzalez Ramirez. Lane 9, Palo Alto Stanford B team, Alexandra Grimes. Emily Seabaum for Australia at 1:00.84. .102.16 from Megan Ney. The Australian backstrokers putting their teams out in front. Let's meet our breaststrokers now. Lane number 2 is Siri Christensen. 3, Jasmine Toski. 4, Kong Bon Yi. Lane 5, Liesl Jones. 6, Sarah Katsoulis. 7, Erica Dittmer. And lane 9, Lindsay Miller. Australia still in front. Liesl Jones in the water. Swimming the breaststroke leg for the A squad in lane number 5. And halfway through the race, it looks like it'll be between Australia A and B for the title. Well in front of the rest of the field. Swimming the butterfly for Santa Clara in lane 2 is Charlotte Ruby. From Palo Alto Stanford in 3, Julia Ama. From Hong Kong in 4, Hannah Wilson. Australia in 5, Yolande Kukla. Australia B team in 6, Ellen Fullerton. Mexico in 7, Rita Medrano Munoz. And in 9 for the Palo Alto Stanford B team, Marie-Pierre Delisle. Anchor Lake Swimmers lane 2 is Catherine Ladd. 2, Rachel Acker. Acker in 3, that is. Lane 4 is Camille Chang. Lane 5, Brittany Elmsley. 6, Lisbeth Chickett. 7, Liliana Ibanez Lopez. And in 9, Alicia Grima. Australia A team with an entry time of 3:59.00. And the Australia A team at 4:06.83. Unofficially, they are your winners. The B team second at 4:08.51. And then it's the Mexico A team at 4:11.68.